Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Plague Inc. board game. To begin, each player selects one of the 7 unique disease types, gathering their corresponding starting components. The game board, featuring a detailed world map, is then set up, along with the DNA board and event deck. Players place 2 initial infection tokens on 2 different countries, strategically starting their global pandemic. This foundational setup prepares you for the exciting challenge ahead, where your goal is to eradicate humanity. Once setup is complete, the core gameplay revolves around spreading your disease and evolving its deadly traits. On your turn, you'll perform actions like infecting new countries, strategically placing your infection tokens to expand your reach across the globe. You'll also spend valuable DNA points to evolve your disease, gaining new abilities and resistances that make it more potent and harder to cure. Event cards keep the game dynamic, presenting unique situations that require careful adaptation. Your ultimate goal in Plague Inc. is to eradicate humanity. As your disease spreads and evolves, it will begin to cause deaths, represented by death tokens placed on the board. You earn victory points not only for infecting countries, but also for the number of deaths you cause. The game reaches its conclusion when either all countries on the board have been infected or humanity successfully develops a global cure, ending the pandemic. To maximize your chances of victory, strategic planning is key. Focus on evolving strong resistances to combat humanity's cure efforts, making your disease unstoppable. Prioritize infecting densely populated countries early on, as they provide more DNA points, accelerating your evolution. Utilize event cards wisely to disrupt your opponent's progress and protect your own. Always adapt your strategy, observing other players' diseases and adjusting your approach to become the dominant global threat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.